Hey guys, I'm on Owen's channel and I'm using his phone here.
Hey, what up? So guys, we are gonna be making slime because this one YouTuber says it works, but we don't know.
We don't know, so she said just put this, like any kind of shampoo, and this actually smells good, but any shampoo, and then mix it all up, and then we just have to use some salt right here. So that's gonna be super easy.
Is this yours or mine?
That should be mine. Like,
where did mine go?
I don't know. Oh, this is mine. This is yours. There you go. Okay. Yeah, we have our little slime. We love playing with it. It's like a stress ball to us. Yeah. So we just want to squirt in there. What? That's not even working.
Take the cap off.
Okay, take the cap off. First,
do not pour too much. I need some for shower.
Okay. Oh.
Or shower.
Okay. So how much, like, to add, like, that much?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay. So.
This. Tell me when good.
I think that's good. Okay. And then we stir it. Let's get that stirring.
No, we don't need it.
We don't stir it.
I swear we had
a spoon.
We're just wasting spoons. We need to
have just one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Have one plastic one.
Okay.
Dude, this is for slime. This is gonna be 1 spoon. Okay.
Okay. 1 spoon. Okay. So now when you add all that, so we're just giving you some time, baby. Okay. So we gotta stir that baby up. Let's go.
Here. It smells good.
Guys, this is my new style. Let's mix in. Ooh, that smells so good. Oh, I wish you guys can smell this. This smells so good. Probably in like 100 years, I bet they're gonna add where you can smell the stuff from the TV. That'd be so sick. I think that's enough. She said a pinch of salt.
Oh shit.
So just put a pinch of.
Pretend like you did not hear that.
Okay.
I just got sidetracked.
You said shoot.
Yeah, I said shoot. Dude, this is kind of
slimy.
If I wanted to add too much salt.
Okay, let's see. And stirring. It feels like it's mixing, actually. You just got it on me.
I did?
Yeah, you just flicked it up there what was that?
It smells good, though. The slime ain't gonna work.
Okay, don't use the slime. I recommend not to do this. None of your slime videos work.
It's fun to stick your hand and play in, though.
I would actually recommend this to actually wash your body with. This smells so good. Get this. It says, maintain the stash. Clean hair, beard, body. Yeah, get that. That is some good stuff.
It got a lid on it.
Oh, shoot. So, yeah. That's good stuff. How many subscribers do you want how many likes do you want to hit? I think
4.
Okay, we want to hit 4
likes.
4 likes. Check out mine. Hudson Cox. I need to change it. It says Daniel Cox, my dad's. Yeah, I've been using his phone. Wait, what was I gonna say? So yeah, check out that. I'm gonna say bye.
Bye.
Bye.